Hi Wellham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And we have got not one project but two diamond painting projects.
Right.
So first of all we have Oh Christmas Tree, Oh Christmas Tree. I won't sing anymore otherwise I'll lose viewers. But so it's a blue Christmas tree. It's got special diamonds on it, which, in case you haven't seen before, they're ones that are a bit fancy-pantsy.
Yep.
So we have got our Christmas tree.
Yep.
And...
You can't say this.
Right. Now, I will point out, this is not all prepared. I have got the burrow there, ready. I've got another big project to go there, and this is the Christmas tree in between those two items.
Yeah.
Now at the moment I currently have a couple of coven magnets on there. Yes, that's right, I said magnets, which means that is magnetized, and these are magnetic diamond painting ones. Now I got this because I really liked the idea of being able to decorate the cart for whatever, I say cart, it really won't be moving, but to decorate it basically with whatever season. So let's have a wee look. So these are the magnets. I have actually ordered some more of these from Temu because I figure, you know, if it stands still long enough I can plug a magnet to it. So you peel off this side and then you've got the magnet this side. Right. So there are all the different diamonds in there, which you will see as I put them on. Some of them are shaped, some of them are just circular, but all of them are pretty snowflakes. So yeah, it's just to decorate this cart and my cart that I've got round the corner. Right, so I will be taking photos for you guys as I've put on all of one colour. We'll start with the snowflakes and end with the tree, and then you won't see the final. No. For the final reveal, so the last lot of little diamonds or what have you, we'll have a good look at the stuff basically after we put it all together. Right guys, so I better get my diamond painting tools at hand, and I just so happen to have bought a Christmas one. Yay! You get these generally in them, which is your tray, your wax that you stab, and yeah, it's usually this, to be honest. It's pretty basic. There's nothing wrong with them. I prefer a comfier hold, but you can get all different types, and this was my Christmas one. Yeah. Right, so let's get diamond painting. Right, guys, so the pictures didn't do it justice, so I hope you've tuned in for this bit.
Yeah.
So we're going to go for the round ones first and just show you I've popped the magnet on.
Yeah.
Right, so these aren't in any particular order.
Yeah.
He's so twinkly. He's so pretty. These are so cool. Right, so they're the normal shaped. Sorry, they're the circular shaped ones.
Yeah.
Here, now we've got the special shaped, and my God, some of these are really prickly. And just to fix it. One of these, though, isn't as wide as the magnetic base. So you can actually see a bit. These are so twinkly. They're going to look so good on my cart. And that's the one that's sort of just over. It's only just. But it looks more like, sorry, it looks more like a flower than a snowflake, that one.
It does, yeah.
Like an ice flower.
Right. Yeah.
So the photos do not do it justice because they just don't show the twinkle.
No.
Right, and of course we had our tree.
Yeah.
You ready, guys?
Yeah. Are you ready for this?
He's so pretty. No,
it doesn't actually sparkle much on this, actually.
No?
No.
It's very twinkly here.
It's catching the lights, isn't it? It's catching the lights with the phone, isn't it? Or the camera.
There were only actually 5 different diamonds used in this. You had the small, like, clear silvery ones and the small blue sparkly ones as well. And then, of course, you've got the 3 different shaped ones. But, honestly, I'm really pleased with how all these turned out. And they were really fun to make. And they were cheap to buy as well. I got these ones from Temu. You get different deals and whatnot on there. And yeah, I am more than over the moon. I have got a big bag of different craft projects plus some different bits in different places. How much I'll get done depends on how much I'll get done. But it has been better this year because last year we had so much trouble with getting the half tree.
The half tree is already up.
The half tree is already up, and by trouble I mean the picture didn't go with the description, so they kept sending the tree that
was supposed to have been,
but wasn't the one in the picture, and it took us ages to work out what had gone wrong, basically. But yeah, we got there in the end. But yeah, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Actually, technically,
it will already be Christmas when you say this.
Yeah, I started doing these bits in November because I wanted to wait until I had like Christmas bits up around me. I'm well aware that I've got a box from Amazon there. I've got my diamond painting bags and that from sorting out. So I'm actually scruffier than usual. Plus I've got different bits and baps around that I've got to move. But we are getting there.
We've got Christmas.
We have. I love her. I'm going to try and get some, well, I have got lots of different lights actually, so I'm going to see if I can pop some on like a scarf sort of effect for her, because she just needs a bit of a zhuzh.
Yeah.
even a packet of squares over there as well as little man's.
Little man's
soft, snuggly blanket. He has that when he's over by me, and yeah, he's already been sucking it.
Yeah.
I can tell because it goes sort of, it's, you know, like babies are with their drool mats, you see. But yeah, I'll have a go at that later and sponge it off. But yeah, I mean, it is getting Christmassy, guys, and we have got so much coming up. In fact, we'll know by now what we've got coming in.
Some of what we've got coming.
Yeah, I mean, we're just waiting on one currently. We're a few days off of our anniversary, which is the 19th. So we're still waiting on two advent calendars to arrive, but one of them we know is being sent out, and that's not late.
I've sent them out this weekend, aren't I? Yeah.
The other one's a nightmare because we just don't know what's happening with that. But yeah. Right, my lovelies. So, with any luck, you'll be watching all the lovely advent calendars and not just all but one that hasn't arrived. And yeah, I'll let you back to your Christmas month. So, as always, be different. A very merry hoo-hoo. And let's have a little star Christmas tree. Boop ya.